Welcome back all. Today a short video on some timeline tips on the edit page. On the timeline section, there is a button for UI options. If I'm working across multiple timelines, you can turn on Stack Timelines. This effectively shows timelines as tabs, so you can switch easily. It also means that if you have multicam and compound clips, you can open them in the timeline view and have easy access. Then we have video view options where you can turn on or off previews of the clips on your timeline. And then there are a variety of audio waveform options which you can adjust to turn off the waveform or have it displayed in different ways. Moving on to the video tracks themselves, we can see some symbols against each track. With the first symbol you can lock a track. This prevents any changes being made against the track. You can use this to prevent clips on a specific track from shifting accidentally, etc. Selecting the audio or video track number will show a red box indicating that this is the destination track. Whenever you use your edit tools to add to the timeline, i.e. insert, overwrite or replace, the video and audio destination track is where the clips will be placed. Additionally, where a red box appears you can click again, which deselects the track, and even if you insert, overwrite or replace, you will not see the clip appear if the video or audio track is deselected. In this example, I have deselected video, therefore it will only add the audio track. This button is the disable button. This disables the entire video track. This is useful if you have a video track with a fusion composition or effect which is slowing the overall playback speed. You can disable the track and play through without dropping frame rate. Coming to the audio section, we can see it has a lock symbol, as we do with the video tracks. Additionally, we have an S and an M. S is for solo. On playback only this audio track will play and all other tracks will be muted. M is for mute. On playback this audio track will be muted. And finally, for this video at least, these are the zoom functions. The first is full extent zoom. This fits the whole timeline on the screen regardless of how long the timeline is. This is the detail zoom. This zooms in very close for fine control. The last one is the custom zoom, where you can zoom in and out as required. If you hold Alt and use your mouse wheel, this will allow you to zoom in and out and set the zoom function automatically to custom zoom. The end. Please subscribe.